Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix SteamVR error code 450. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your PC and keep it open, since you'll need to navigate through a few sections. Go to Network and Internet, where your connection settings are managed. Next, click on Wi-Fi and select your currently connected network to open its properties. Here, make sure your network profile is set to private. This is important because it allows better communication between your PC and other devices on your network, which can help resolve SteamVR issues. After that, open Steam and head over to your library. Find SteamVR in your list, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then go to the Betas tab. In the Beta Participation dropdown, choose SteamVR Beta Update. Switching to the beta version can fix the error, as it often includes patches for common bugs and connection problems. Finally, check if your firewall or VPN is causing any interference. Temporarily disable them and see if the issue is resolved. If it works, you can turn them back on and adjust the settings to allow Steam VR. That's it. That's how you fix Steam VR error code 450. Thanks for watching.